Running YouTube ads for real estate agents is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you don't already have one, sign up for a Google Ads account at ads.google.com. Ensure that the YouTube channel associated with your real estate business is linked to your Google Ads account. You can link your YouTube channel by following the instructions provided in the Google Ads interface. Once logged into Google Ads, click on the plus campaign button to create a new campaign. Then select video as the campaign type. Select a campaign goal that aligns with your objectives as a real estate agent. For example, you might choose leads or website traffic. Configure your campaign settings, including the campaign name, budget, bidding strategy, start and end dates, and target audience demographics. Within the campaign, create a new ad group where you will set up your YouTube ad targeting and settings. Specify the maximum cost per view or CPV bid for your ads. Define your target audience by selecting demographics, interests, keywords, placements, and other targeting options. You can target users based on factors like home buying tips, property listings, or local housing market trends. Consider targeting users who are interested in real estate. Upload your video ad creative. This could be a property tour, client testimonials, real estate tips, or any other engaging content that showcases your services and listings. Write compelling ad copy and headlines that highlight the benefits of working with you as a real estate agent. Choose a thumbnail image that accurately represents your video and catches viewers' attention. Review your campaign settings, targeting options, and ad creative to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you're satisfied, click the Launch Campaign or Save and Continue button to launch your YouTube ad campaign. Regularly monitor the performance of your YouTube ad campaign in the Google Ads dashboard. Analyze metrics such as views, click-through rate or CTR, view duration, and conversions to assess the effectiveness of your ads. Optimize your campaign by adjusting targeting, bids, ad creative, and other settings based on performance data.